In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear a due date when status changes to done in Monday. Calm. Start by opening Monday. Calm and logging into your account. Once you're inside the board where you want this automation to happen, head to the top right corner and click on Automate. This opens the Automation Center, where you can build rules that save time and keep your board updated automatically. From there, click Create from Scratch. This is the option you want because it lets you build a custom automation based on exactly what you need. In this case, the goal is simple. Whenever a task is marked as done, the due date should be cleared automatically. Now use the search bar and type in status changes to something. Monday. Calm will show matching automation recipes. Look for the one that says when status changes to something, clear date, and select it. This recipe is already very close to what you need, so all you have to do is customize it. First, choose the status column that tracks your task progress. Then set the specific status value to done. That tells Monday. Calm exactly when the automation should trigger. So anytime an item changes to done, the next action will happen immediately after. Next, move to then do this section. Here, select Clear Column. After that, change the selected column to your date column, which is the due date field you want to remove. This means that as soon as the item is marked complete, Monday, Calm will automatically clear that date for you. Once everything looks right, click Create Automation. At that point, your automation is live and ready to work in the background. To make sure it's functioning properly, test your automation. Pick a sample item on your board, assign it a due date if it doesn't already have one, and then change its status to done. If the setup is correct, the due date should disappear automatically. That quick test helps confirm that your board is behaving exactly